Alright, here's an old Tennessee Ernie Ford song called Shotgun Boogie. Well, there stands on the corner with the barrel so straight, I looked out the window and over the gate. The big fat rabbits, they be jumping in the grass. Wait till they hear my old shotgun blast with the shotgun boogie. I done saw your tracks. Look out, Mr. Rabbit, when I caught my hammer back. Hell, over on the ridge, there's a steely bark. Hickory nuts so big, you can see them in the dark. The big fat squirrels, they scratch and they bite. Off beyond that ridge, before daylight with the shotgun boogie. All I need is one shot. Look out, push your tail, cause tonight you'll be in the pot. There we go. Box 410. I looked her up and down and said, boy, this is lonesome. Been headed for the brush to shoot a big fat dove. Shotgun boogie. Boy, the feather is blue. Look out, Mr. Dove, when she draws a beat on you. Oh, here we go. I put her on my lap. She said, wait a minute, son, you gotta see my path. Got 16 gauge, choked down like a rifle. Don't like a man that's gonna trifle. Shotgun boogie, draws the beat so fine. Look out, big boy, cause he's loaded all the time. Hunter's gonna get my daughter. Cock back the hammer right on the spot. When the gun went off, I outrun the shot. Shotgun boogie, got her wedding bell. Well, I'll be back, little gal, when your pappy runs out of shell. Shotgun boogie. Give it up to the dancers.